100 years ago, Costa Rica was a nearly unbroken blanket of green, with over 75% of its land covered in dense tropical forest. But by the 1980s, human impact reduced that canopy to less than 25% of the country. People had indiscriminately cleared rainforest for cattle ranching. Commercial loggers cut access roads deep into primary forests to extract the most valuable hardwood trees, and this was followed by peasant farmers moving in, clear felling, and burning the remaining trees to create cattle pastures. In the 1960s and 1970s, the international demand for cheap lean beef skyrocketed in North America. Supported by subsidized loans from institutions like the World Bank and the US government, Costa Rican ranchers aggressively cleared huge tracts of forest for pasture. At the time, Costa Rican homestead laws actively incentivized clearing. A settler could claim legal ownership of a plot of land if they improved it, which meant cutting down trees and establishing pasture. For the Central American white-faced capuchin monkey, that meant losing vast expanses of their ancestral home. Today, their global population is estimated at around 50,000 individuals across Central America. Yet right here on the shores of Marino Ballena National Park, these resilient primates are proving that when we give nature room to heal, life finds a way back. Costa Rica chose a path few nations dared to take. Through strict logging bans, landowner incentives, and the creation of national parks, the country staged one of the greatest ecological comebacks in history. Today, forest cover has rebounded to nearly 60%, and more than 25% of Costa Rica's land is officially protected. Parks like Marino Ballena are more than just scenic beaches. They are living testaments to recovery. Within these protected borders, this troop of capuchins acts as the architects of the forest floor, dispersing seeds and clearing dead wood to fuel the next cycle of plant life. But despite this incredible forest rebound, the work is far from finished. Much of the recovered forest is young and lacks the huge trees found in primary forests. Also, modern development increasingly leaves protected areas isolated like islands in a sea of human activity. Losing connectivity between these isolated forest patches forces monkeys across dangerous roads and power lines. It also limits the gene pool of these populations, making them more susceptible to disease. A national park boundary is only as healthy as the biological corridors that connect it to other protected areas. While this is far from perfect, Costa Rica has shown the world that deforestation is not irreversible. In a single century, it has proved that forests can grow back when we choose conservation. This should be a lesson to the rest of the world, both what happens when we allow roads to be built into primary forests and also what happens when we reverse this. Right now, new roads are being created to exploit the Amazon jungle. Check out the latest information from jungle keepers, linked in description, to see what is happening there. Please subscribe to our channel for more information like this.